Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video which is actually going to be very useful for all those makeup loving people but in a budget. So I have brought here some of very beautiful makeup products that I have bought from my local market at really cheap prices, and at the same time they behave so well, like they are best in their own niche. So that is what I'm going to present here, products from my local market, and at the same time they are very budget friendly and they work really well. So if you are that person who is on budget but wants to buy some nice makeup products, so let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So first things we are going to talk about are these lip liners. Now these lip liners are from the brand known as M&M, that is Makeup and More. I bought it from a roadside shop, let me tell you, and they are so beautiful. Now they come in a variety of shades, but what is more important is that they were just 70 rupees each, like literally 70 rupees each, and they also have shade name. They were seal packed. If you see, there is some plastic still here. They were seal packed, so you know that they are not used, or they are not second hand products. They are very well packed and they are so long. I mean, yes, you have to sharpen them, but they are so long that it is going to last you forever. And moreover, they have shade names on them. I mean, sometimes even the most expensive brands just skip writing shade names, but these ones have shade names on them. So let me show it to you. Let me swatch and show it to you how they perform. So the first shade I am going to be talking about is this one right here. It's known as Cranberry, and it is so smooth, and if you see, it glides on so smoothly without any effort, and at the same time it is very pigmented and long lasting. So this is the shade Cranberry. Next is the shade Curvy Candy. This is a nice, very nice pink shade, baby pink shade, and same, equally pigmented and very beautiful. And this shade is known as Romantic Pink. This is more like mauvey brownish pink shade, and this is how all of them look. Now, not just by saying, let me just put it on my lips, one of the shade, and show you how they perform, because they are very pigmented and very nice. Let me get rid of this lipstick. I am using the shade Romantic Pink, and my lip has a little bit of pigmentation, in fact a lot of pigmentation on them, but you see, they are going to be very opaque. And this is how this shade looks. It is so pretty. It's not easy to have such buttery smooth gliding lipstick with such a beautiful shade. I mean, a lip liner with such a beautiful shade at such affordable price. So if you can find this brand somewhere on the internet, or in your local market, again I'm repeating, it is M&M Makeup and More, and it is quite a long lip liner which is going to last you forever. So go and buy this if you get your hands on it, for sure. And the next thing we are going to be talking about are eyeliners. I have quite a lot of them, eyeliners and kajals. I have quite a lot of them, and I have picked up a few which I absolutely love, which are there with me since forever, and I don't know for how long they are going to be there with me, because they don't want to dry down. Like, they don't want to dry down. Even the most nice brands, most amazing brands have not worked so well for me like these ones. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is this Inside one. It's in the color blue. It does not have a shade range or a shade name. This is known as Inside Waterproof Eyeliner, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a glass bottle with a nice handle to have stability. the handle is shaped in such a way that your hand is really stable when you're putting your eyeliner on, so you don't have to really think or really have to be stable. It provides a nice grip, and if you see, the tip of it is also very, very precise, which helps in creating very nice wing liners. And I'm going to swatch here for you, and if you see, it's very nice and opaque. It does take some time to dry down because it doesn't dry down as quickly, but it is very opaque, which I really like about this eyeliner. And this is how it looks right here. And next one is this one by Lotus. It again has a nice packaging. This is not a glass bottle, but a sturdy packaging with nice long tip. Again, provides you very nice grip. But what is different here is the tip here. The tip of the liner with which you're going to draw is very different. It is more sturdy and not feather like. So and if I put it here, again, it's very opaque. And also the shade, if you see, is very different. It's more like mauvish color, and you don't find such shades easily. So that's nice. And I know Lotus and Insight are available online, so you can go and buy it for yourself. And yeah, this is how it swatches. And the next one I am using is this one right here. This is by H&N eyeliner. This is in yellow. I have never found an eyeliner that's yellow in color but at the same time so opaque and pigmented. I love this eyeliner, and if you see the tip of it, again, very nice and precise, so it's very easy to create wing liners with this. It's not as liquidy as these two ones. They don't dry down easily, but this one dries down quite comfortably and is very nice bright shade of yellow. I just hope the camera is picking up, but it's a very nice bright shade of yellow. And the next one is my favorite. This is known as Amber. It's Amber waterproof eyeliner, Amber or Umber, I am not sure, but whatever it is, they have done some amazing work by putting out this eyeliner. It's brown in shade, has amazing tip and very nice grip to the handle, so you can create any eyeliner very easily. It is so quick to dry, and you might have seen me using in a lot of videos. So if you see here, it's very opaque. You don't even have to layer it, and it is very, very, very nice. This one right here, I love this eyeliner. Very easy to dry and very easy to create any wing or even a normal eyeliner for that matter. It just creates a very nice soft line to your eyes and give it the dimension that is much needed, and it's just amazing. And I think all of these range from 70 to 100 rupees. None of them is above 100. Like, I bought it in that price. I'm not sure if you will be able to get that, but all of these liners range from 70 to 100 rupees, and I have bought this from my local market. It is not from any online shop or any online platform. You might find them on online platforms, but the prices may vary. I am telling you the price that I bought it in my local market, so please note that. And next one is this one right here. It's been there with me with more than a year, and it still has not dried down. It's a pink glittery eyeliner. It has silver glitters in it, and it layers so well on my eyes. It gives such beautiful, shimmery look. Now, this does not work very well in terms of eyeliner, but when I have to just, top anything up with it, it just works very beautiful. Now, if I try to top this up here on this pink lip liner, it gives such beautiful shine and layers very easily. It is not as pigmented, but it works very well on top of anything, like any other eyeliner. Now if you see, if I put it on top of this yellow, it's going to make it look glittery. So this is that eyeliner which, when topped up on any color base, is going to make it glittery and beautiful, like you see here. And you see, I've put these 3 shades and they have started shining so beautifully. So any matte liner, when topped up with this one, can become glittery. It can show silver glitters in it, and you see, this is how it looks. I just hope the camera is picking up the shine. And next is this kajal right here. It's black, intense black kajal. It's known as Bella Voste Intense Eyeliner in the shade Black Ons. And this is so pigmented and so smudge proof. I have used this so much. I'll just try doing it here. It is so buttery soft and at the same time very pigmented. You can see, so soft, glides on very easily, is smudge proof, and my favorite eyeliner. And this is the next one. This is known as Provoke. It's a white eyeliner. It's known as Provoke Semi-Permanent Gel Eyeliner, waterproof. It's white in color, and I don't find too many eyeliners white in color which actually perform like white and look beautiful. So I'll show you here as it glides on. It is such a beautiful white shade, right? It's not that cream kind of a shade which doesn't, you know, look very good on your eyes, but rather a proper white shade which actually performs very well on your eyes. And this was for 120 rupees, and I really liked this one. And the next product is this rollers right here. They are from Ginger and they are known as Ginger Hair Curler. They are so nice. They don't, you know, grip your hair too tight that, you know, when you try removing it, it doesn't remove easily. This was for 160 rupees, and there are 6 rollers here, and they perform like any other high-end roller you may think of. It doesn't pull your hair, it doesn't, you know, break them off, and perform really well and does a good job of a roller. So I think this is a very well investment. If you find this kind of roller anywhere near you, go and grab it if you need it. Totally worth investing your money on this. And next thing I'm going to show is something that you might have not thought in a million years. So this is the wig, and such good quality and such amazingly styled wig that I might not get in any cheap price. Like if you see that wig, I show you that wig and I don't tell you where I bought it from, you might, you know, think of it as any high-end brand because it is so well made but still looks amazing and is at only 350 rupees. I'll show you. And this is the wig. See, it is so beautiful, so well styled. I literally don't have to do anything with my hair when I have to put this wig on. It has decent length and a very great volume. If you see, the volume of the wig is also very good. And whenever I have to put this on, I just put a ponytail and put this on top of it. It comes with a clutcher. Let me just show you actually. And it comes with a clutcher, you see, and this is how the wig looks like. I think it is very good. It's very well, obviously it's not original hair, but it is very well made. And when I have to apply it, it comes with a clutcher like this here. There is a clutcher here, so you just clutch it onto your hair and it's sorted. So this way you get such a beautiful hairstyle in no time. So if you can buy this wig from somewhere, let me grab it. This is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a very nice package which has a button, so you put it here. And the best part about this wig is that you can wash it like normally. You just put it in water having a nice amount of shampoo mixed into it. Just dip it, do a little bit of scrubbing and remove it out and wash it with cold water. No maintenance required, and applying a conditioner is completely your choice. And then you let it dry and comb it, and when you comb it, it is going to come back to this style again. So you don't have to worry that when you wash it, it's just going to you'll have to style it again, but you don't have to. It just comes back to its style again. That's the washing instructions written here, and I have washed it once and I don't need to do anything with this wig. So that's really nice. Brand, I'll let you know, it's known as Fantastic Vivian. That's all that is written here. This is how the packaging looks like. So if by chance you get it anywhere near you or online, I'll try finding it online on the internet, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But if you really want to invest in a wig, go and invest in this one and create your styles really well. And the next and the last product we are going to be talking about is this one right here. This is an hair extension, and it is so smooth. I'll remove it and show you. This is the hair extension. It is very nice goldeny brown, so it matches really well with my hair color. It comes in various shades. It comes in black, it comes in highlights, so you don't have to really worry about your hair color. And it just comes with clip-ons, if you see, like any high-end extension. So you just clip this on and close it like this, and that way you have this clip-on ready for you to increase the volume, to increase the length, whatever you like, you can do with this clip-on. And I like the shade of it more than anything else. And this just costed me 300 rupees, which I think is a very, very, very decent price for such good quality clip-on. Obviously, again, this is not original hair, but you can still style it. You can use heating tools on it, and it is still very, very good to go. You don't have to worry. Whenever you style it, just dip it in shampoo water and drain it out, and it will become straight like this again. And this is the packaging of the clip-on. This is how it looks like. It definitely has something written on it, instructions written, but the problem here is I don't know what language this is. Definitely not English, but it is of the brand Jojo, so it's written here Jojo. I'll try finding it again on the internet, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. But if you can put your hands on it anywhere in your local market, go and grab it before it's gone. And guys, that is all for this video. If you want me to make more such videos, because I have a lot of more stuff that I buy from local market at really cheap prices, and I think they work wonders for me. There are quite some myths also, but it's okay. When we are trying stuff, I am here to try them all out and tell you what works and what doesn't work for me. That way you can decide for yourself whether you want to invest your money on it or not. So if you can find any of these products in your local market, I definitely recommend them. And if you want me to make more such videos with more such products, do let me know. Like this video so I'll know you want more such videos. And also you can drop down in the description box, drop down in the comment section and tell me if there are any products that you have bought from your local market and work amazing for you. I would love to try them on. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, drop that too in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to do it. Until then, take care. Ta-da!